In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Miro board. We'll move from choosing the right starting point to adding the essential elements that make a board clear, collaborative, and easy to navigate. Begin on the Miro dashboard. From here, open the templates area. Templates give you a head start with ready-made structures, so you're not starting from a blank canvas. If you see a filter for roles, switch it to all roles to broaden what's available. Explore the engineering category to find system diagrams and technical planning frameworks. Check product management for roadmaps, prioritization frameworks, and discovery canvases that help align teams around outcomes. In project management, you'll see timelines, retrospectives, and planning boards to track progress clearly. Design offers user journey maps, wireframe starters, and brainstorming layouts that support creative workflows. An agile coach includes ceremonies and coaching frameworks that keep teams iterating smoothly. If you want an even wider selection, choose Explore More templates to browse the full library and pick the layout that best matches your goal. If you prefer to build from scratch, choose Create New, then select Board. This opens a fresh workspace you can shape any way you like, great for custom flows or quick workshops. Inside your board, open formats and flows to structure processes and user paths with ready-made patterns. You can also revisit templates right inside the board to drop in sections as you go. Add sticky notes to capture ideas quickly. They're perfect for brainstorming, affinity mapping, or action items. Use text for headings, explanations, and labels so your board reads clearly at a glance. Shapes and lines help you group content and illustrate relationships. Consistent colors and line styles make the logic easy to follow. Pen lets you sketch freehand, annotate during discussions, or circle what needs attention in real time. Diagramming shapes provide standardized blocks and connectors for flowcharts and architecture maps, keeping your visuals clean and professional. Frame is your best friend for organizing. Think of frames like slides that let you present your board in a guided sequence. Add stickers, emoji, and GIFs to react, celebrate wins, or create quick visual signals without clutter. Use comment to leave feedback. Ask questions or assign follow-ups right where work happens, keeping context intact. Finally, open tools, media, and integrations to bring in images, files, and connected apps so everything your team needs lives on the board. And that's it. You've explored templates, started a new board, and learned the core tools to shape a clear, collaborative Miro workspace.